Alright guys, so to cut the glass, this is the clear sheet glass from Home Depot. This one is 11 by 14. So I did buy the tool to cut the glass as well. Okay, so let's get the glass open, prep it up. Make sure when you're doing the job, have your gloves on and stuff like that. Right now I'm just opening. I took the gloves off just to open the glass. Take it out the package. Okay, so this one specifically is 11 by 14. You see there, 11 by 14. So make sure you have a nice surface for it. Right now I'm using a little rag. So basically I need 11 by 14. So my size of the window is 7.5 by 11. So now I'm gonna take the pen out. So I can mark it. Then I will score it. Okay, the tool has a little wheel on top. That will be your scoring part. You will hold it on the back side so you can roll the wheel. Okay, so first you always do clean the glass for any little odd things that is on the glass. Won't affect the cut. Okay, so I need 7.5 by 11. So this way is 11 already. So I do need 7.5 this way. So I will mark it from the top. Try again. 7.5. Okay, and 7.5 from the bottom. Okay. Grab something straight. Show one more time. Before cutting. Okay. Okay. 7.5. Okay. Turn the glass. Okay, so you grab your tool, make sure it's straight down. You only want to score it once. Gotta move over just a little bit. Moving. Put this to protect it just a little bit. Try to grab something that I can pretty much hold it down. Push down. Okay. Usually I like to score it on both sides. Okay. There you go. The glass is cut. Just like that. Very, very nice and easy. So that's how you do it. For a first time, looks good, cut well, did a good job. So now let me install it on the door.